Hello and welcome to the BREAS tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to use the Alarms menu on the NIPPY 4 and 4 Plus. To adjust the alarm settings on the NIPPY 4 and 4 Plus, you must be in the clinical mode of the device, with the padlock on the main screen in an open position. To enter the alarm menu, press the top right button, and this will highlight the first alarm in the list. Now press the Set button to toggle down through the list of alarms. Once you reach the alarm you wish to adjust, press the plus and minus buttons to adjust the setting. Once you are happy with the setting, press Set again to confirm the change, and move to the next alarm to adjust. Whilst you are in the alarm menu, if you press the bottom right button, which says More, you can access a separate page of alarm options. Once the alarms are adjusted, you can exit the alarm menu by pressing the top right button again. Only active alarms appear on the main screen during treatment. We hope you found this video on the use of the alarm menu useful. For more information and other tutorial videos on how to use the NIPPY 4 and 4 Plus, please visit the Education by BREAS website. Thank you for watching.